Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? This is my 6th month lock anniversary. Yay! And I'm just in this video I'm gonna be showing you what my lock looks like right now and my wash routine. I should first start by apologizing that it's been a while that I posted a video or update about my locks, and that's because due to grad school and family and other activities and stuff like that. So I'm really sorry, but this is where I am in my 6th month journey. If you remember from my first video, I started my locks with damaged hair from the especially in the first front part of my head, because I was using heat a lot around the time, and as a result, some of the hands in my front part, they're so tiny, but the base is actually building up, which is giving me confidence that my hair is gonna get better. And I'm just showing you what my base on my scalp looks like with my locks. I think I have a little over 200 locks in total, and this is what they look like right now. And I'm just gonna give you show you another strand here, and that's another one that is the hand is so thin, but the base is actually building up. And I've been in retying. I do not retwist my hair, so maybe that helps too, I don't know. But this is the back part. I should tell you that it's been a while I washed my hair, but and I am very due for a retie as well. But this is what it looks like right now. It looks like the back part, they're really forming, that like the locks are actually maturing better than the front part. But of course, we'll see, and it's actually getting better, I will tell you that. But that's what my locks look like at the back. I do not have a perfect grid in the back. The front is better, but at the back I did not care. I used the natural grid for that. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair. I use colored rubber band just in case I have to use the scissors to cut it, so I don't cut my hair. And I just spray with water and make sure that my hair is wet. And not too wet, because then you'll see what I'm talking about. You get too much lather with your shampoo and it's spraying all over your face. But just wet enough that when you apply your shampoo, you get enough lather just to make sure that you're getting it cleaned properly. So I went ahead and just moisturize my hair with water sprayed all over, and then I will be parting my hair into small sections and just twisting them out. And this is the shampoo that I use. I actually don't have a particular shampoo recommendation. That's for my toddler. Sometimes I use the professional shampoo, sometimes I use the one for my husband, so I actually do not care. I think because I've not been applying too much products to my hair, so I don't have much buildups, and I don't need to frequently wash my hair because it's dirty. I typically just use water on a day, like when I'm going out. But initially, after I just finish retying, I apply oil to it, and that's it. So this is what I'm saying, that it didn't have to be this messy, but I guess my hair was too wet, and that's why it was spraying all over my face. But yeah, I go ahead and just use the rubber band and tie the hands. And the goal for this method is just to preserve your ends, because with young locks, you're prone to having split ends, and this is just to protect my hands. I go ahead and do this all over, and then wash it off and dry. I do not use a towel or any material that will leave lint residue to my on my hair, because they can be challenging to take off, and sometimes they just get stuck to your hair and you have buildups from this. So I try to avoid such materials, and I found this particular scarf that I use here, I found it useful, and it absorbs the moisture as well. So I go ahead and gently remove the rubber bands and gently use my fingers to just spread the hair from the scalp. You want to make sure you do this because you just applied water, and you just bonded some of your hair together, and they will be prone to getting stuck, like getting attached at the scalp level or at the base. So this is what you want to do this. And even after your hair is dry, you still want to go over it and just use your finger to make sure that nothing is getting tangled without you knowing, because if it get worse, it can really damage your hair in the process. But this is what my hair looks like after the wash. It's soft, it feels longer, of course. And with my locks growing, I've actually been having less split ends, which is great. This usually happen especially in my front part before, but it's better now. Now we're comparing my dry hair and the freshly washed hair. The dry hair, you see, it's, even though I'm overdue for another retie, but the part actually looks clean at the base, like it's clear compared to my freshly washed hair. It looks dull, but I have a love-hate relationship for washing my hair. I love the feel, how soft it gets, but I don't like how it just roughen my part and just makes it dull. But it's, we still have to wash it anyways. But I actually love how soft my hair it gets every time I wash it. But yeah, that's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section, do you love your locks wet or dry, and how much products do you apply to your hair? Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you, and you have a lovely day. Bye.